Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Nailmas Day 3. Today we have a kind of a neutral look, but it's still pretty nail arty. We've got a reindeer on there, we've got some glitter, so it's still pretty, festive, a little bit out there for some people. But I thought going for this neutral colour, it still made it really, really wearable and just a little bit subtle. If people want a bit of nail art just before they go to like the full-on reds and full-on glitters. So on this design I have used tan, and I've done that on the thumb and middle finger, done twice, cured in the lamp for 60 seconds as a standard, and then I've gone in with Eve, which is this awesome kind of like beigey grey, and that's been on the index and pinky finger, again 2 coats, cure in the lamp 60 seconds, and on the ring finger I've gone for rose gold, which quite honestly is one of the most popular glitters this time of year. People just love a rose gold. You can kind of get away with any jewellery, any kind of clothing look when you go for that rose gold option, because it's got a little bit of a silverness to it, a little bit of a gold to it as well, so people are big fans of that. So on these fingers I'm just kind of going through, and to be honest I don't really have a lot to say about this design. I'm going through and I'm just creating stars and stripes and dots and just lots of different things. I've gone in with 2 different style dots, nice and easy. I'm using a mixture of dotting tools. Again, I will leave them linked down below. They're from Amazon. They're dirt cheap. I think pretty much everyone has these dotting tools. And I'm also using my ERIN brush. This is the Bestie Brush. By far, this is my favourite striping brush I've ever used. I use this, I think, every time you see me using a striping brush, bar a couple of times when I'm using the teeny one. I'm using this brush. It's amazing. I'm so happy that I found it because it makes creating nail art just so much easier. I highly recommend it. I've linked it down below. Go check them out because they are honestly great quality. They're really, really great quality and I highly recommend them. So I'm just going through, I'm adding some dots, I'm using a mixture of colours, and then I'm going through and top coating it. So on all the nails where I've done that just kind of star design, I'm going through with a matte top coat, making sure they're all nice and matte. And on this rose gold nail I'm going in with shiny because I wanted obviously the glitter aspects to be really just nice and shiny. So on my middle finger I'm using this rose gold striping tape. Again, it's from Amazon. This again was dirt cheap. I think I got like 30 rolls of striping tape for like 30 pence. I think it was something absolutely ridiculous. So I'm just placing that into the sticky layer and then putting a top coat over it. I've gone with a matte top coat, curing that in the lamp for 60 seconds just to kind of seal that in. And then I'm going to create a little bit of like a reindeer kind of hanging over the striping tape. That's the vibe I'm going for. So to do that I've just used the biggest dotting tool that I have and created almost like a triangle of dots. And then I'm just going through with my brush. This is the teeny one that I was on about earlier. Just to kind of round that out, make it look a bit more reindeer-esque. So I've added some ears, I'm just adding some little feet, so I'm just kind of creating a sort of half circle with a little bit of like a V at the bottom. Curing that in the lamp 60 seconds as a standard, and then I'm going in with tan, and I've just used that to add a little bit of detail to the ears and also to create a bit of like a tan muzzle area. So I'm just cleaning that up with a little brush, sticking it in the lamp 60 seconds, and then going in with some details using again the teeny one from SEARLE, the brush, and just some little dotting tools. I'm using chocolate from the gel bottle to create that. Oh, and I'm also adding it to the little feet. These are going to be the little reindeer hoofs. And then I do believe that I go in and add a little bit of rose gold to give it a shiny little nose. There it is, perfect. So I go through, top coat this with a matte top coat, and then just add a little bit of shiny to the nose because I wanted the nose to stay nice and shiny. And that's about it. Nice and easy, really. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.